Good morning, Monday. It's August 19th. A little quiet out there today, not a whole lot going on. Last week, obviously, a pretty negative week. Yields on the 10-year rose by about 0.25%, about 25 basis points last week, roughly. We're at two-year highs on yields, 2.85% roughly on the 10-year Treasury, about 3.85% on the 30-year, about 1.6% on the 5-year bond. Two-year highs there on yields, a little bit scary as we get closer to the Fed meeting in September. Short of a Fed statement to the contrary, people are going to be concerned, increasingly concerned, that the tapering process is going to begin as early as next month. And that's certainly not good for stocks, especially trading so close to all-time highs. So stocks about flat, NASDAQ up a little bit more, about 16, 17 points, 0.5% roughly. And that's on Facebook and Intel analyst comments. Nothing major there. A change in rating from underperform to a neutral for Intel, and then Facebook, the price target got raised a little bit. Nothing important there, but it's enough to push those stocks up a bit, and that's helping the NASDAQ rally, the technology-heavy NASDAQ rally a little bit. But again, just watching yields, watching any kind of news out of the Fed, I doubt we're going to get any kind of real early indication of what the Fed's leaning towards doing in the September meeting before we get to the meeting and get through the meeting and hear the comments from Bernanke after. But as we get closer to the meeting, the fears about tapering are going to mount, and that could be enough to start to push the stock market down into correction territory, which we're not quite there yet. Dow at 1575 roughly, so we're only 15,075, so we're only roughly 75 points above that sort of magical 15,000 big round number level. If we were to break through that, obviously that would be a technical negative. I also wrote a article about the technical analysis side of things that was published in Newshawk today, so go to newshawk.com and take a look at that, check it out if you're interested in the technical aspects of the market. More to come.